Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change Jaguar strings. First, gather your essential tools, a fresh set of strings, a string winder, and wire cutters. Next, find a soft, stable surface to lay your guitar on, protecting its finish. Before removing any strings, gently loosen all of them a bit to relieve tension evenly across the neck. This helps prevent any sudden stress on the guitar. Now that the strings are loose, it's time to remove them. Start by carefully unwrapping each string from its tuning post. Once unwound, use your wire cutters to snip each string near the bridge. This makes them much easier to pull out. Finally, gently pull the old strings completely out through the bridge or tailpiece, ensuring no parts are left behind. With the old strings gone, let's install the new ones. Take a new string and feed it through the appropriate hole in the bridge or tailpiece. Then, guide the other end through the hole in its corresponding tuning post. Begin winding the string neatly around the post, making sure to get about 2 to 3 wraps for proper tension and stability. You're almost done. Now, use a reliable tuner to bring each new string up to its correct pitch. Once tuned, gently pull each string upwards, away from the fretboard to help it stretch. This is crucial for stability. Retune after stretching and repeat this process a few times until your strings settle and consistently hold their pitch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.